Hi, my name is Vibhav. I'm from Delhi and I'm a scholarship student at Jindal Global University, BA Honours Legal Studies. I've attained 75% scholarship in my course and I got to know about this course through my coaching center where I found the course very fascinating and unique. There were a few things that I found interesting and unique about the course. The first was that the course had an extra year, which meant that the concepts of law were taught in a detailed manner. Secondly, after the span of 6 years, you will be receiving a two specialized degree. And the third thing was that most of our students are afraid to commit to a 5-year program of law. So in this particular program, students have a flexibility to adopt any other course if they want to. And outside of academics, I have found that while the food of mess is pretty good, but still once in a while you could go out to the places like food court as well as food truck. In food court you have multiple outlets like Chicago Pizza, Burger Point and many more, and there are a lot of hangout spots as well all across the campus like basketball court, football field, cricket field. All these places, especially around the night time, are really fun to hang out with your friends. And lastly, I would like to say that I'm very happy to be a part of such an amazing institution, which will give me a lot of opportunities and a lot of fun exposure, which I was always looking out for.